About to be a day. About to be a day. What kind of day? I don't know yet, but it's gonna be a day. What kind of shit are you talking?
Man,
There ain't no way you wore that out here again.
you gotta pay me more.
No, that ain't happening either.
You know,
It's blue collar
being
contract.
the, employee of the month, month again.
Listen, as long as I'm working here, you'll never be employee of the month,
You
okay?
think,
Golly. You suck at starting that. Just dropped a load of rock and another load of topsoil. We did the yard grade on this one last fall with our topsoil, and you can see how it's doing. Greenest grass in the county. Love to see it. Good stuff. It's gonna be rich. Yeah, because that manure is not ready to use anyway.
some of it was ashy in the center.
I was gonna say, was it getting
Some
hot?
of it was, yeah.
That's what I was thinking about when you sent that video. I was like, damn, this stuff's pretty hot. So if we would have had enough carbon in there with it, it would have actually broke it down. Because I was thinking I didn't want to mix them in case we could actually use that stuff sooner.
Yeah.
But we can't run those wood chips because they're passing through the screen, and we can't run that nitrogen because it's too hot. So those should have been separated. So now we know next time we'll pull all that nitrogen in its own pile, and if we get wood chips, cool, throw it in, and then hopefully they break down around the same time. Park that, we'll leave everything unloaded, and then I can go look at that job on myself. How much soil you think we got?
Not much left. We got a little bit back there, but
Probably not a truck and a trailer though, worth of screen. Okay, well that just made our decision then. We won't worry about the dump truck load, I'll reschedule it. We'll take a small load there, and you can just ride with me if you want to go look at that job.
Okay.
And then we'll come back and shut her down. Look at that tie-in right there, freaking beautiful. We're about to gravel this through here. I told Dakota we needed to take it down a little bit. Look at that. You can tell he used to do concrete. By God. She's ready for some backfill now. Beautiful. Get her filled in. Ethan got us a load of topsoil on the truck going out off of this. Get some. There's just something about being out in public, running into your buddies, and
You know it.
I mean, just every time I see them, it's the difference in the 50 and a 312. Some of us don't even know it's there. Pretty damn good.